Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is called Intelligent Train Engine for the Fastest New Age Technology. So here I am using an 8089S52 microcontroller, 16x2 LCD display, one switch button, red LED, green LED. These are at pole junction, ULN2803 driver IC, and one DC motor engine and one IR receiver. So here the port 0, it is connected to the 16x2 LCD display. Switch, it is connected with P3 cap 7, red LED P3 cap 5, green LED P3 cap 7, and one port 2 cap 7, it is connected to the DC motor. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here I am using an 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC, 230 input step down transformer, 9 volts output AC given to the bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. This entire section is called power supply section. So here I am using an 8089S52 microcontroller, port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, total 40 pin IC, 4 ports, each port consists of 88 pin, total 32 input output bidirectional. Port 0, it is connected to the 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. Port 1 we are not using. Port 2 cap 7, it is connected to the DC motor. So here I am using ULN2803 driver IC, line driver IC, and it is connected to the DC motor. So reset, crystal, and port P3 cap 4 connected to the green LED, 3 cap 5, it is connected to the red LED, port P3 cap 7, it is connected to the switch, and this is the IR transmitter at the pole, means around 20 meter distance the pole is there, and the red LED. When the train reaches to the pole, so that at that pole there is a red LED indication. So IR continuously transmitting the data, you have to decrease the speed and you need to stop the train. So when the train moves to the signal junction or the pole, so the IR receiver receives the data and sends to microcontroller. So there is a red signal, I have to stop the vehicle, means the vehicle automatically, the engine speed will decreases and it will be stops. After 2 minutes, then the green signal will came, driver will automatically press the switch and the engine speed increases and the vehicle will be moves. So we will see the output. So I am giving the power. Intelligent train engine for the fastest new age technology. This is student idea. Engine starting. Slowly it will start the engine. Mid speed, maximum speed. Low, mid, slow. It will come fast speed it is. So there is an it's a maximum speed. When the vehicle reaches to the pole, okay, so green LED, yellow, red LED is there, and we are reaches to that place, and green will starts. So after 2 minutes, it will give you the green. Then the driver will start the vehicle. Mid fast. So actually this is a base paper. In that base paper, when the vehicle is moving on the track, so there is a signal pole. With that signal pole, IR is there. When the IR reaches to the receiver, will reaches to the distance, same distance, then it will receive the data and send to microcontroller. called, there is a pole, with that pole there is a red LED is there, so red symbol is there, so we have to stop the vehicle. When the vehicle, after stopping sometime, if he receives the green, then they will press the switch and the engine slowly increase the speed, it will go fast. Then second time, you can observe on the LCD, low, mid, speed. Okay, this is speed. When the vehicle moving to the track, so maximum train stopped at the pole after 2 seconds as per the project. In the vehicle you can observe the LCD, low, mid, speed. This is PWM technique, delay based PWM technique, so the engine will be moves. It's a small project, mini project. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SUS Embedded.